Hello everyone, is your printer not working in Windows? Are print jobs getting stuck or not printing at all? In this video, I will show you how to create a simple printer repair tool using a batch file. First, right click anywhere on your desktop, click new and then select text document. Open the new text file. Now paste the printer repair script into the document. I will pin the script in the comments below. After pasting the script, click File and then Save As. Name the file Printer Tool BAT. For Save As type, select all files, then click Save. Now go to your desktop and find the new batch file. Right click on Printer Tool BAT and select Run as Administrator. The printer repair tool will open. From here, you can perform common printer fixes such as restarting the Print Spooler service, clearing stuck print jobs, opening Windows printer settings. These fixes can help solve many common printer problems quickly. If your printer suddenly stops working, this tool can save you time and effort. That's how you can create your own printer repair tool in Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.